Crypto craze may seem exciting, but the risks of scams are equally dangerous. Fake crypto platforms and apps are designed with the sole intention of stealing your hard-earned money. Scammers create apps and websites that closely resemble genuine exchanges. Initially, they may display impressive gains to tempt users to invest more, but the moment a deposit is made, the money disappears. These apps often demand unnecessary permissions and personal data, which are then misused or sold. That is why it is important to stay alert to certain red flags: unsolicited offers, unrealistic daily returns, so-called exclusive access, or deepfake endorsements where fake videos of celebrities are used to promote such schemes. For prevention, crypto apps should always be downloaded only from official app stores like Google Play or Apple App Store. Reviews and developer information should be carefully verified, and all transactions must be conducted over a secure encrypted connection. Remember, vigilance is the strongest defense. It is essential to stay safe and avoid becoming a victim in the name of crypto craze. Do not forget to share this message with your friends and family so that everyone can stay scam smart.